Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any Medical Care Apps. Flutters inside today need to developing this here the only doctor profiles need to developing here. Previously we need to develop here the hospital doctor profiles need to develop here inside the showing here the staff related the facility like this. Need to see inside the designs look like this UI we need to develop, and before need to look here this UI we need to develop, we need to use this UI, and we need to making similar to designs we need to creating here. First of all, create here the new files and to give this here the name only doctor profiles like this screen to set here the name. Create, select here the home folders and to create here the new files and to give this here the only doctor profile. Doctor profile screen dot dots like this write down here and to set here. To write down here the handout here first of all. Play screens and we need to check here doctor profile screen. We need to copy and we need to paste here inside the only doctor profile screen. And now we need to rename the screen name. We need to set here only doctor profile screens. Now we need to save here and we need to set here the titles. Need to no needs here the titles. We need to clean here for these app bars. Only show here the close buttons like here the configure here. And then after we need to showing like this here the doctor address and experience like this we need to configure here and show like here already given this here these designs need to set here. Also set here the timing related need to row are the creatings. Now sales and facility, now need to change this here the titles bed facility. Then after ICU, then after the choice hours ambulance like here service are the providing and see walls like these buttons need to put here. And here's this profile inside no needs here the experience show we need to remove, also feedback also need to remove this here the row we need to clean here. And then after showing this here the address we need to show like this here the UI similar to. And then after we need to showing like this here the context we need to creating again, so we need to copy this here the address field with dividers, copy here, paste this here, and another dividers no needs need to cleanse. After the other stops need to clear here with padding like here. Now we need to set this here the another buttons we need to put here the inkwell buttons we need to creating here. After expand we need to call this here inkwell and on tab event we need to set here the child container, set here the width and heights we need to configure here, we need to set this here the 30 as height, also give this here the 30. And then after we need to configure here the child, we need to configure as a child inside the image assets. Need to set here the phone numbers, maybe need to icon set here icon dot need to set here the phone like here. Set here the color white, and use this here the size is important because we need to needs here the small size, that's why to set this here the 15. And we need to set here the const value. Now we need to creating here the decorations, box decorations, set here the colors, we need to set color T color green, we need to set here, then after we need to set this here the border radius, circulars, we need to set here the radius as a tens like here the configurations are the needs, and to save this here and show like this here. Now first of all we need to configure the screens. Now need to find out here the doctor screens. Now need to go inside the home tab and we need to use this here the click events here opening here the chat message. Now need to change here to only doctor profile, replace with here's, and now need to click and opening like this here the UI and showing like this here the doctor profiles and also timings, address, and to remove this here the value of here. Now need to find out here the numbers, need to clean here's this number row are to clean. Then after you need to remove here the address to change this here the titles as a contact like here's, and need to clean these paddings, need to show like here's and showing like this here the mobile same age. Now need to create here the another buttons we need to put here. We need to set here the another buttons names as a video calls. We need to set here. So need to set here video calls like here. And last one is the chat message. It here. Need to icons as a chat message is good like here. And we need to give this here the click in information. So opening this here the context dot push extension methods, and we need to call this here the buttons. Inside we need to use this. If you not see here the second video first of all the see here the second video inside the explain here the how to create like this context inside the push methods. Now need to set here the context, give this here the chat message screen, need to configure here chat message screen like here and to semicolons save here and look like this show. And now need to give this here the some width space size box, give this here the width, we need to give this here the 8 and set here the const value, save here, again copy and to paste this here, look like this set here. Now need to set here the primary colors, set here primary colors for the now orange colors need to set here, set here colors as a const value. Now need to save and look like this here the showing here, and also need to give this here the some space, we need to need here. Now need to set here the size box, give this here the height, we need to set this here the 15 and const value, need to configure and to save here and look like this here the showing like this here the doctor profiles, need to show here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care. And make sure need to give this here the increase this here the paddings. Now need to go here because maybe less padding. So need to first of all the fix this here the issue. Need to set here the padding, const, edges insert symmetric, verticals need to set here the 15s and look like this similar to designs. You need to creating like here and also need to remove this here no needs. Now bottom paddings we need to clean here this space no needs because already we need to give this here the 15s and similar to designs. We need to making here